In this video, we're going to be walking through how to install a new garage door controller console, and this is a super straightforward process. And the people who installed my garage door wanted 140 bucks to come out just for the labor, and the part itself you can buy brand new on Amazon. So I figured I'll do this myself and I'll show you guys how we do it. So these things are very, very simple. If you look at the back of them, you have two wires and you have one screw here and there's another screw at the bottom right there. And so the way these work is that this tab right here will lift up, and you can see that that is a Phillips screw in there, so you can loosen that guy. And then once you've loosened it, you will lift up on this guy, and then it will move away from the wall. And then once we do that, we're going to basically unscrew the two screws on the back here, the PCB, and we're going to connect up the wires. It's literally just two wires. That'll be what powers this thing. And if you don't already have the drywall screws in place, they do provide some in here. And yeah, so basically the problem I have right now, just FYI, is that this sensor right here is malfunctioning, that the screen's messed up. I don't exactly know what happened on this, but because of it, that garage door light doesn't turn off, and so it's on all the time, which is annoying. So that's why I'm doing this, and hopefully it fixes it. There you go. So once you've installed this thing, if you go to menu, and TTC means timer to close. So basically if your garage door's been open for the last 5 minutes and this motion sensor isn't detecting anyone coming or going, it will automatically close. So I want to set this up just so that we don't accidentally leave our door open. And I'm going to make this, let's call it 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. And so now we've got it on. So if this garage door is ever just left open, it'll close itself after 10 minutes of no one activating this little motion sensor right here. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, so that's basically it. We can set up the clock if we wanted to, but I don't really care. But yeah, so thanks all for watching and hope this helps.